Okay. Number 10 here is also using an appositive phrase, a phrase that renames or defines a term in the sentence. Anthropology is one of Paulandia University's most popular majors. Anthropology, the study of human societies and cultures and their development, is one of Paulandia University's most popular majors. Okay? So we get a definition, an answer to the question, what's anthropology? Again, writers and speakers do that when they think that the listener or reader doesn't know the words. So a lot of the vocabulary that you spend time looking up in the dictionary is already there for you. And you want to get comfortable with recognizing when speakers and writers are trying to tell you what something means. Okay, so something similar happens here. Alaska, the US's largest state by area, has the nation's lowest population density. Okay, so the key information, essential information, is that Alaska has the nation's lowest population density. The US's largest state by area is interesting information, but you could omit it if you wanted to. Okay. Composer's most recent work features koto and shamisen, Japanese stringed instruments. Okay, so here that pause shows us that we're looking at an appositive phrase. The koto and shamisen are types of Japanese stringed instruments. Okay, let's look at number 13. Are you in the mood for beer or wine? There's no pause here and no comma. That's because we really have two choices. Wine and beer are not the same thing. Beer or wine really amount to two different choices. Okay. 14 here. If you take this receipt to Ugly Baby Fashion Accessories, the store where I bought your child's gift, you can probably get a refund or store credit. Okay, so this phrase here, the store where I bought your child's gift, is another appositive phrase. It just answers the question, what is Ugly Baby Fashion Accessories? Okay, so we can remove this information without changing the meaning. All right, and that's exactly what we do in the correct option, B. If you take this receipt to Ugly Baby Fashion Accessories, you can probably get a refund or store credit. It's the same as the original without the appositive phrase, so we can use the ellipsis in a case like that without losing any of the important information or changing the original meaning. Okay. These are long dashes, these two long lines here. They function in a way similar to commas, not when we're making lists, but when we are setting information aside or showing that information is non-restrictive. It can be removed without changing meaning. So the original sentence, or the heart of this sentence, we could say, is raptors tend to have remarkably sharp eyesight. Okay. Eagles, hawks, falcons, and similar birds of prey are just examples of raptors to help you answer the question, what's a raptor? Examples in this case are much more helpful than someone trying to describe a raptor. Well, it's a bird with sharp this, and it can do this and do that. Now, raptors, eagles, hawks, falcons, and similar birds of prey, tend to have remarkably sharp eyesight. Notice that pacing, tone, all that kind of changes a little bit to show that we're putting something inside of dashes. All right, that even happens in speech. In fact, the written dashes are there to imitate what you would hear. Okay,